What's going on, guys? So if you guys read the title, kind of got scammed on the wheels that I have on right now. Like I seen, I painted only painted two, and they are 26s. They're GMC Denali reps, and got them for a really good deal. Then finding out that the rims were messed with. So exactly how I got scammed. I actually went to go pick them up in Phoenix. I'm kind of late already. It is a 2-hour drive. There was traffic. Phoenix, we get to the kid's house, and my brother takes a look at the wheels. I was counting the money inside my truck. And I trusted him. He knows what he's doing. He knows what to look for. Okay, cool. I was looking at them. They look pretty good. They were like you guys seen earlier in the video. They're like grayish, silver, looking color. So I was like, okay, cool. Color, didn't mind it, but I knew I was gonna paint them silver. And the kid had told me he had curb rashed it or curb checked one of the wheels. And he sent a picture, and I was like, okay, cool, that's fine. Like, I could deal with it, and I'll fix it myself. So go ahead, give him the cash, load him up. Noticed one was missing air, but I was like, okay, maybe he took out the air or something, because he said they've been sitting for a bit. So go ahead, load them up, drive back to Tucson, and didn't really look at them when I got home because it was late already. Had to go to work the next day, so take a look. I was like, damn, they look sick. Okay, I went to put them on. Next day comes, I seen them. I had to take the truck to work, so I had to unload them. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. Put them leaning against my brother's truck, Smurf, the blue one, and came back for lunch, and I wanted to check out the wheel that was flat. I was like, in my head, I was like, I wonder why it's flat. Let me go take a look at it. So I was looking at it, and I was like, oh, this kind of looks weird, like this curb check. Kid said he had fixed it, or fixed some of it. Okay, like he probably took it to the tire shop and hit it out, I assume. And keep looking at the wheel, notice that there's a crack on it. Like, not just like a hairline crack, it's pretty big. Like, it was like a good, probably 5 inches. Like, that crack was this way instead of like being straight. It's going like right in the middle of the rim. And I'll put a picture up. And yeah, like, I was mad, I was upset. Like, should have been straight up. But it was a kid, like I said, he looked like 16, 17. The rims weren't actually his, they were his dad's. The truck was his dad's, so he kind of had to get rid of them. And yeah, I tried to get my money back, but kid's dad was being a little bitch, so I didn't want to give it the money. So I was like, whatever, I lost on this deal. Oh well. But so after that, all the texting, all that stuff, I go ahead and bring in the rim, and I want to take a look at it. My brothers asked me if I had put air in it. Told them no, I just seen that it was cracked, and I just left it alone. And so I bring it in, put air, and notice that there's no air leaking. I was like, what the fuck? Like, what's wrong with this if it's cracked? So I grab a blade and I put it in the crack, lift it up, and turns out it was filled with Bondo. Didn't get to take a picture of it, but I do have pictures after I grinded it. Should have taken a picture when it was filled with Bondo, but oh man, like, this was like a really, really good amount of Bondo on the rim. So I was like, what the fuck? Like, what'd they do, So I kept grinding it down, and grinded every single part that had Bondo on it. So right now the rim is Bondo-less, and I could see where the crack was and where they welded it. And oh man, this rim is pretty bad, and I'll show you guys in a little. But rim holds air, rim is good and everything. I'm pretty sure it can never be balanced though. But the welding, whoever welded it welded a lot to it, so I'm pretty sure it won't crack anymore in the same space, on the same spot at least. But yeah, I got fucked over on these wheels. I did get a good deal on them. 2 new tires. The other 2 are like a good 40%. And I couldn't pass them up. But I did ask if there was any cracks or bends. Like I said, he said he curb checked one, fixed it, whatever. But turns out there is more than just a curb check. But who knows if the kid got fucked over and the kid just doesn't know his stuff or what. Okay guys, this is the rim that is welded and I grinded it down. So the bondo went from here up to here, the bondo. And you can see right here, this is where the crack was. Welded it all the way up to here. So this crack does look like it went into this spoke. So I'm kind of iffy on riding them. But I said fuck it, you know, might as well try it. The tire still has air in it. And it's been a good week. So doesn't leak air. Looks like it's welded pretty good, but whoever put Bondo in it didn't do a good job because it was lifting up. So let me show you guys the face. This is how the face looks. This is the original color, like that gray machine polish, whatever. The crack goes right here. It was welded. And this is where he said he curb checked it. But there was Bondo all right here covering this weld right here. So I'm guessing he curb checked it and it kind of like, I don't know what he did. Because the Bondo wasn't cracked. It just curb checked. So this is how they look. You can tell the silver does make a big difference from the original. That's how it looks. The truck, I'll post up some videos that I have of the truck with the wheels. And as you guys see, we're gonna get Snapchat ready again, and we're gonna be repainting her. Gonna be fixing some of her little dents. Get her show ready again. The goal is to have her ready for Las Vegas Showdown, which is gonna be September 30th. A lot of upgrades coming for Snapchat, so if you guys want to see all those upgrades, stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels. I think I got fucked over, but oh well. You win some, you lose some. So we'll keep on going and we'll see what we do with these wheels. But other than that, thanks for watching. Go ahead, follow my social media. They'll be right here.
Solo un beso y tú te vas.